Hello, everybody. Okay, so back today, and what I want to do is make a fidget spinner or two. I've got about 3.5 ounces, a little more of resin made up left over from another project. And these little fidget spinner molds, gosh, are not very big, but they're just fun. I feel like these kinds of things are always just fun to do. Came with all kinds of little mechanisms to make several, and I think I actually even bought some extras so that I can make lots. And I've got some more molds coming. So here's kind of what they look like, the different ones. They're just fun, and I know these are kind of a thing that maybe is a has-been. I don't know. Maybe people don't really buy them or play with them much anymore, but they are just something that I thought would be kind of fun to create. So my green mat is being used for something else. I'm trying to see if I have something else with some color. Let me look really quick. All right, how about this? This is the back of my Let's Resin heat mat. Okay, so how about we just use this? I think this will be help the molds show up a little bit better than on this white marbly background. How's that? Better? Okay. All right. And I think that's pretty level too, actually. So, okay. So I think what I want to do is I'm going to pick out a couple of really fun things to do in here. I'm not going to do any mica powder or anything like that. I just want these to be kind of quick and simple, and maybe just like some glitter. Make them kind of pretty. Let's see. I think I'll make one of these. This was the confetti glitter that we used for the coasters. And what else do I have? It'd be fun for that. Oh gosh, I got all kinds of glitter over here. It'd be like a wine red. Oh, and the stars. I was going to use the stars. And we'll do one in stars, little stars here. And maybe one in the bronze. Okay, this is the bronze foil flakes, and this is rose gold, and this comes with the Sigwong mica powders. That comes with 3 of these: a silver, a gold, and a bronze. And just kind of a little extra something. These glitters that I bought in this pack of like 28 of them. It is this brand, Sia. Don't want to get glitter in my molds, but see if I can show you this. It's a really pretty red. Be pretty at Christmas time too. All right, so we'll do these. Gosh, I don't know how much glitter this is. I mean, how much resin these are going to each take. I really don't know. So how about we'll just make up about 3.5 ounces. I'm just going to do like, gosh, about how much was that? That was a little more than 1/2 ounce. I'm going to try that. And this one, I believe, is my smallest one. This one might be the red glitter. Let's do the glitter. Red in this one. See how it turns out. Give this a good stir. Oh, my resin's getting kind of warm. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty. Is that going to be enough glitter? I think it's going to be enough. Let's see. Well, maybe a little more. I don't really want it to be translucent. I want it to be really a pretty red glittery color. Stir it up really good. Have any streaks in there? All right, let's give this a try. All right, really hoping that this is going to be enough. Okay, so where's my alcohol? I'm going to go ahead and spray a bit of alcohol in this. This is 91% alcohol, and this is to help prevent bubbles from forming. Okay, we want to make sure that we leave this little center area here empty, because that's where our mechanism is going to go into that. Okay, here we go. Pour this in. Really hope it's enough. I have enough to do all these. Gosh, I think it is going to be enough, you guys. This was only about a ½ ounce or so. Wow, more than enough. I'd kind of like to have this nice and full without going over. One more over here. Okay, I think I'm at my limit. There we go. Okay, there's one. One done. Really pretty. Okay, so that didn't take very much. I have to go a little bit less even on some of these. Let's see. Here's another one. Okay. And for this one, let's do the stars. Just going to pour a few in there. This one doesn't have to be quite so full like I wanted this other one here. The red glitter, I wanted it to be almost opaque with the glitter. This one with the stars doesn't necessarily have to be like that. It's okay if I have some translucent areas. Kind of like that look. Okay, and yeah, my resin is definitely getting warm. So which one, guys, for the stars? Maybe this one? Yeah, I think this one. Oops, I forgot to pour the alcohol. Almost forgot about that. Not a big deal if I forget, but it just definitely kind of helps. But that was kind of a lot, so okay. Go ahead and pour it. It's a really nice night. I've got my window open for some ventilation, but sorry if there's a little bit of noise going on out there. Let's see, here we go. Okay, I want this one nice and full as well. Okay. Gosh, I think that one's going to be really pretty. Set that one aside. We've got about 2 ounces left. Okay, and then I think we'll do the blue in this. Do you think that's too busy for the blue? This is kind of big. It is going to be kind of busy, but we're going to go ahead and use it anyway because I've got my resin is getting kind of warm. So just going to pour some in like that. And I've got some little granddaughters, and I've got a little tiny newborn grandson. He's too little, but I've got some great nieces and great nephews. And I thought, gosh, these little fidget spinners are so fun. And spray a bit of alcohol in here and in here. Go ahead and pour this in. This will be pretty too. Okay. And I see I've got one little piece of this glitter kind of poking out here. I want all that down underneath. Go. Give this another quick spray. Spray in here. And this last one is going to be these rose gold foil flakes. I don't think that's going to take a whole lot of resin in that little one. Let's see, a little bit more. Okay, and grab my tweezers. I have to break these up as it goes. See how this works. Some of those chunks were too big, but that's kind of pretty in here, huh? I have to go ahead and pour it. Spray a bit of alcohol in my cup. These have got a little bit of bubbles in them. Okay, there we go. Another quick spray of alcohol. And all these. Okay, there we go, guys. All right, I'm going to let it cure and we'll be back tomorrow and we'll unmold them and put them together. See you then. Okay, everybody, I'm back and here are our little fidget spinners. They are completely cured and this is just kind of a fun little technique to do, a little project to do. And here are my little parts that go to this. I've got them all out and ready. So there's no directions that come with this, so we're going to just kind of wing it. But let's get them out of here and see how they turned out. This one feels just a bit soft. Still, it's a little bendy. Probably because it's such a thin, kind of a thin mold. And it's really pretty though. I think that turned out really pretty. The red is really a deep red. Here's the other side with the pattern. It's also really kind of cool looking. Okay, so let's see. If we put, how do we want to do this? It must go this way. I think you fit this down over this part. And this fits down over that. And then this must just click right on in there. Okay, so that came out, that went together really easy. Let's see if it works. Wow, it works. Look how fun and easy this was. You could do any kind of colors. Wow, if you've got little grandkids or kids or, gosh, super fun. Let's get my box of all the little parts and pieces. So I need another pen, another one of those, and we'll get this one out. This is really pretty as well. I really like this with the stars. This might be my favorite as far as all the different insides go. I'm not really sure, but I feel like this is perfect for a fidget spinner. What do you think? They're really pretty. The holographic stars in there. Really pretty. Okay, so we'll do the same thing. Put this on. I think that these little brackety things go face down. I don't know that it matters, but that's just the kind of the way I'm putting it. Put that down. Snap that in. And it's just so easy. Gosh, these spin really well. Just fun. You never know. You might need to stick one of these in your purse or in your pocket. Super fun. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, nope. I thought I had bubbles in this, but I guess this is meant to have these little curves here. Made it look like I had bubbles in the end, but it's part of the design. that out of there. Oh, wow. This one's pretty too. Really pretty. Look at this side and this side. Really pretty. Wow, that is really pretty. Okay, I don't know which one's my favorite. Now these are both pretty. That on there. Didn't even know they sold fidget spinner molds. Probably a lot of you have already been making them forever, but this is new for me, so much fun. Let's get that on there. So easy. So quick and easy. Okay, here's our last one. This has got that rose gold or bronze colored foil flicks in here. And again, this one's pretty bendy, but you know, the shape of it is kind of, it'll flatten out, no problem. Okay, let's get this last one done. Let's see, it goes like that. I showed you this one up close. Here it is, kind of with the other area around it. So yeah, these all work really well. The little mechanisms are super easy to put on. And I ordered this kit. This came with the molds, okay? These parts of the mechanisms came with these molds. And then the other molds I ordered, I don't think they came with any, but I bought a box of just like 20 more mechanisms or whatever, so that so I can just have fun making these. But yeah, gosh, which one's your favorite, you guys? They're all so pretty, and not sure which one my favorite is. They all spin really well. They're all super pretty with the glitter and the different kind of stuff we put in there. I feel like this one maybe doesn't spin as well. Not sure. I mean, it spins, but not as fast because it's kind of a different shape. But yeah, this was fun. All right, everyone. I will see you really soon. Be safe and take care, and see y'all next time.